December 14th, 2020 vocabulary. Directions. Complete the table below for the acronym PEMDAS for the order of operations. All right, so remember we have please excuse my dear Aunt Schnaterbeck or my dear Aunt Sally. All right, remember that P stands for parentheses. What do those parentheses look like, the sign or the symbol? Well, it's going to be these little guys. I'll do a couple more spaces in between there, and I'm actually going to make them bigger for us to see. So there's what our parentheses look like. The E, remember the E stands for exponents. And our exponent, it would have a base number with the exponent raised to that power, that exponent up there. M and D means multiplication and division. Whoop, division. Remember, multiplication can be multiply or divide. Remember, multiplication and division, you go from left to right in the problem. A and the S is addition and subtraction. And we can put a plus and minus. Add and subtract. Left to right. Left to right. I'm also going to highlight that like the other one. Let's see. And why won't this go to the middle? Okay, I guess that works. There we go. All right, so that is going to be it for our vocabulary. Great job. I'm going to make this a little bigger so we can see. There we go. All right, awesome job.